From wireless keyboards with an oversized volume knob to Mac keyboards with restressed, function keys, RGB lighting, and more, it is challenging to decide which ones are the best mechanical keyboards for you. But, you don't have to worry, as this detailed guide will help you pick the best keyboard for Mac that suits all your needs. Number 1. Das Keyboard for Professional for Mac Wired Mechanical Keyboard. You may think that the Das Keyboard for Professional doesn't match an Apple keyboard aesthetic. So why is it on the list of the best mechanical keyboards for your Mac? Well, this is one of the slimmest keyboards available on the market. With its carefully designed keys and compact layout, this keyboard delivers an excellent typing experience. As a result, you're not only going to type comfortably but also way faster as compared to using other keyboards. If you like your keyboard to be loud, you can choose between Cherry MX Brown or Blue mechanical key switches. Moreover, this keyboard has a lightning-fast response as you get to execute your keystroke quickly. The J and the F keys feature bumps for a more tactile feel. This keyboard has laser-etched keycaps. When the laser-etched keycaps pair with the Cherry MX Blue switches, it makes the perfect keyboard for your Mac. This laptop keyboard is suitable for work as it allows faster typing. You can also use a wrist rest for added comfort. If you're looking for a gaming keyboard, Das Keyboard 4 is a wise choice because it supports NKRO instead of USB. This way, you don't have to use your PlayStation 2 adapter. The Das Keyboard 4 offers maximum convenience because you can use 2 USB ports to charge your devices. It also has a USB 3.0 hub that allows you to transfer pictures, videos, and music at 5 GB/second, which is extremely fast. Number 2. Keychron K2 Mechanical Keyboard. The Keychron K2 is an 84-key wireless mechanical keyboard designed by Keychron. It has a superior Mac layout with functions keys, dedicated arrow keys, and shortcuts. You can connect 3 devices via Bluetooth 5.1. You can also connect your phone, iPad, laptop, or peripherals to this keyboard. In addition, it features USB Type-C connections. Since this keyboard is wireless, you may be concerned about latency. However, this keyboard has decent latency. For gaming, you can use a wired connection. You can use the Type-C USB port to connect the wire. Keychron's K2 comes with a backup battery that provides 72 hours of typing or 7 days of use. The battery is 4000 mAh. One of the giant batteries of a mechanical keyboard. This mechanical keyboard features an RGB backlight. It has an elegant layout with an aluminium frame. The keyboard also has extra keycaps for Mac and Windows operating systems. Overall, if you're not a fan of wireless gaming, you can connect the wire with the USB port. Elegant lighting, 50 million keystroke lifespan, tactile responsiveness, and anti-ghosting. This keyboard is one of the best mechanical keyboards available on the market. Number 3. E-Yooso Z88 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. The E-Yooso Z88 is a mechanical gaming keyboard by E-Yooso featuring anti-ghosting 104 keys. This ergonomic keyboard is ideal to use with your Mac. Multi-keys can work simultaneously at a very high speed. In addition, every key has an independent switch that increases the keyboard's responsiveness. As a result, it is suitable for playing FPS games. Made from top-grade metal and gold plate-mounted keys, this top-quality keyboard is perfect for gamers. It also has a gold-plated USB connector. If you want to choose a durable keyboard for your Mac and prefer mechanical switches, the E-Yooso Z88 is just what you need. E-Yooso designed this keyboard with custom mechanical switches and keys with audible click sounds, tactile response, and medium resistance for better durability and responsiveness. The RGB lights are programmable as you can choose the color for all the keys. In addition, it has about 10 backlighting modes. Moreover, this keyboard's ergonomic design makes it easy for you to access the calculator, web browser, media, volume, and email by using the function key with F1 and F2, respectively. Overall, this is the best keyboard for gaming because it is water resistant and comes with independent switch control, programmable lighting, anti-ghosting, and tactile responsiveness. ideal for gaming. Number 4. Redragon K552 Mechanical Wired Keyboard. Redragon K552 Mechanical Keyboard is the perfect buy if you're looking for a budget keyboard. The K552 is one of the best mechanical keyboards for customization options. In addition, this product features custom switches for longevity and durability. It also has excellent responsiveness with audible loud click sounds for typing. In addition, this RGB backlit keyboard has 18 lighting modes with over 9 colors and 5 adjustable backlight levels for brightness. The K552 also features an N-key rollover for an enhanced gaming experience. In addition, it features 12 multimedia keys. Moreover, Redragon successfully provided a more comfortable experience to users by designing a non-slip ergonomic design with a wrist-rest, mechanical keys, and RGB backlighting. Number 5. Macally Ultra Slim USB Wired Computer Keyboard. Macally Ultra Slim USB Wired Computer Keyboard is designed for Mac users because it accurately matches the Mac aesthetic. With a complete Mac layout with 16 shortcut keys and handy backlights, this keyboard is a budget keyboard for all Mac users looking for efficient and affordable peripherals. This ultra-thin wired keyboard is made from aluminium backing. Moreover, it features media keys and a 10-key numeric keypad. If you're looking for the best mechanical keyboards for Mac, it is a suitable choice because it has about 20 Apple shortcut keys. It also has dedicated media controls with multimedia shortcuts. However, for Windows keyboards, this isn't a suitable choice because it is like a standard Apple Magic keyboard. The keys have a sloped design for added comfort. The brown switch keys provide a classic Mac keyboard vibe. You can also use this keyboard in the dark by adjusting the brightness levels of the RGB lighting. Most of the mechanical keyboards that feature RGB lighting require charging, but you won't have to worry about recharging batteries, unlike other gaming keyboards, as this wired keyboard is a plug-and-play option. Overall, it is an affordable alternative to the Apple Magic keyboard. It also matches the Mac aesthetic due to the ultra-thin design,